running in the 26th district of the New York City Council. The incumbent right now is Julie Vaughn. That area takes all of Long Island City, all of Sunnyside, parts of Woodside, and parts of Maspeth. I'm relatively new even to the GOP. I just took over for the Sunnyside GOP club from Mr. Marvin Jeffco. He ran last time for the same district council seat. No one's running now. I try to get other candidates, if anyone who's interested, to step up. And I just saw there was that seat there and didn't want to see it go uncontested. So this is my first time running. I'm excited, a little nervous. This is all new to me. A lot of the candidates already have people committed to that work on their campaign, so I'm learning all this on my own. But I have a lot of help. I got to know a lot of people coming to clubs like Rob's here, Astoria, Whitestone Club, some of the other Central Queens clubs, some of the other clubs around, and meeting a lot of people, a lot of operatives. Looking forward to petitioning. That comes out in a couple of weeks. Going to go out, knocking doors, doing the best I can, speaking to the interest for the community itself. I'm not running for the city. I'm not running for a city position. I'm running for a district position. So a lot of the issues going on in that district, I know the illegal vendors, the migrant crisis, the 7 line has 7 stops in that district, and crime is rampant. We have migrant shelters over by the Queensbridge area. There are 2, or actually 3, NYCHA housings, Woodside, Ravenswood, and Queensbridge in that district. I want to get out and I want to engage the community, engage with the civic groups, engage with the people and speak to their concerns. I know the city of Yes is going to be a big issue, especially in that area, in that district. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for having me, Rob.
Yeah. Do you have a website yet or any social media?
I don't have a website yet. I'm actually not really, I don't really believe that it's the line, you're not a candidate until you're on the ballot. But I'll get that going through, and I have all that in the works. I do have a plan. I'm not gonna, I plan to outwork my opponent. I know I can. I know I'll get there on the ground. I enjoy knocking doors, knocking on doors and meeting with people, and look forward to it. It's going to be a battle. So,
great.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.